Hey folks, myself from WM Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to change GPS location on iPhone or how to fake GPS location on iPhone using the best location spoofer for iPhone and Android. The best part, we won't be required to jailbreak our iPhone, and using the same method we can change GPS location on Android without root. And false, after we have changed location on iPhone or Android phone, we can access restricted apps, games and websites. Like we can fake location on WhatsApp, Snapchat, Twitter, Live 360 and other social apps. Can hide location on iPhone without notifying anyone. This also helps to change location for Tinder, Bumble and other dating apps. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the process, and for this we will be using iToolab Anygo. iToolab Anygo is the best location spoofer to change GPS location on iPhone and Android. The best part, it even supports iOS 18 beta along with Android 14. Using iToolab Anygo, we can simulate GPS movement naturally without walking on iOS and Android, as it offers 2-spot movement with customized speed, can also pause at any time, offers cooldown timer and can import GPS file to move along customized route. We can also use GPS joystick to move GPS location using automatic movement or keyboard control. The best part, we can use it on up to 15 devices. Wow, that's insane. Well, if you think that's enough, well, it has more for gamers, as it offers iWhereGo Genius for free to fix Pokemon Go Error 12 and Monster Hunter Now GPS signal issues. Wow, that's simply insane. So if you are a gamer and play Monster Hunter Now or Pokemon Go, then iToolab Anygo should be installed on your PC. Now let's get started to know how to use iToolab Anygo to change GPS location on iPhone without jailbreak. And for first, let's download iToolab Anygo for free, and for that simply follow the links in description and pin comment to visit iToolab Anygo official website. Now click try it now. It starts downloading. Once iToolab Anygo free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, simply click on this. Now here we are iToolab Anygo. So first, let's get started and know how to change GPS location on iPhone iOS 17, and for that simply click start. Now here we get option to change location, iOS 17 support and change location Android. So if you want to change GPS location on Android, you can select Android, but as we are looking to change GPS location on iPhone iOS 17, we will select iOS. Next, we need to connect our iPhone with computer by USB. Once connected, here it shows up with iPhone details, as it shows Akhil's iPhone for me. Now click next. It starts getting started to get connected with iPhone, and within few seconds shows as connected. Here we get maps window, where it shows our current location along with all the features of iToolab Anygo. From here we can use teleport mode. Next we get 2-spot mode, multi-spot mode, joystick mode, jump teleport mode, and from here we can import GPX file. Next we get option to see historical record for location change on iPhone using iToolab Anygo. Thereafter at right side we get option for Monster Hunter Now and Pogo games. Next it will show elf resources. We can see our favorite location here. Can reset location by clicking on this button. This helps to change iPhone location to our current location. We can access multiple devices from here and check our location by clicking on this. Let's check our current location. Here it shows the coordinates to be 28.70 and 77.19. Now let's confirm this by opening Maps app on iPhone. See, my location is shown as Ring Road, Model Town 1, New Delhi. See the coordinates here. Now match them with the one in iToolab Anygo. See, both of them are same. Now let's spoof location on iPhone to New York. So search for that. Now selected New York, United States. It selects our destination location to New York, United States. Now to change virtual location to New York, United States, simply click Go. Our virtual location is changed on iPhone to New York, United States with these coordinates. Let's confirm the same by checking it on Maps app on iPhone. See, the coordinates on our iPhone Maps app are the same as iToolab Anygo. Simply amazing work. Now with the change in location, we can access georestricted apps, games and websites. So for that's how easily we can change GPS location on iPhone iOS 17 using iToolab Anygo. And exactly the same way we can change GPS location on Android without root as well. Now you must ask, is iToolab Anygo free to use? Well, first, it's not free. We will require a plan to spoof GPS location. So now let's talk about iToolab Anygo pricing plans. And for that, here we are back on official website. Now click on see pricing. Here we have different pricing plans that we can choose as per your requirement. Well, the offers does not end here. You can use this exclusive coupon code to get extra 20% discount. Wow, this makes it much more affordable. I will highly recommend you all to try out iToolab Anygo if you are looking to change GPS location on iPhone iOS 18. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in the description and pinned comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share reviews and feedback in comments. And if you are new to the Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Have you forgot your Apple ID password and can't reset it? Now want to know how to sign out of Apple ID? Are you looking to turn your low quality images to high quality? Then you should know about this best AI photo enhancer tool.